Three employees reportedly from Manipur and Mizoram comes up with an accusations that the management confines them illegally in a Chennai hotel for allegedly stealing money. The staff members claim they were detained and beaten up on the pretext of having stolen rupees 1.5 lakhs at the Ignite bar of Chennai Gateway Hotels. The waiters told us that they were confined on a Saturday evening and trashed, said Chennai police. The management's response to the allegations has been to deny the charges and say that the waiter had indulged in a financial misappropriation. It is reported that once the card's payment system at the hotel stopped working, the staff would accept money into their own Google Pay accounts and transfer it to the hotel's account, keeping a 10% tips for themselves. It was regular practice according to them at the said hotels. The matter came to light when a social worker, Dr. Aishwarya Rao, took the same issue to the social media platform X. Chennai police responded over the matters. Investigation is underway as the police awaits the bank's statement to ascertain the allegations labeled. No arrest has been made so far. One of the waiters has been associated with the hotel for 4 years, the second for a year, and the third for 4 months, said a police official. We are investigating the case from all angles and will take necessary action after the probe is over.